Hello viewers, welcome back to the another video. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your Instagram password. So sometimes you forget your Instagram password, right? So don't worry, in this video, I'm gonna be showing you the full process to change your password. So the steps are very much simple. First of all, make sure to get connected with the internet. Then simply start by tapping on the apps icon, go to the Instagram application. Here we go. And also make sure you are signed into your account. Then go to your profile icon at the bottom right and you will enter on your profile, and then there you can see the three horizontal line at top right side. Just click on this three horizontal line, and now you can see the option of settings at the very first. Just click on the settings, and now in this page you can see the option of security between privacy and ads. Just click on this security, and now at the very top you can see the option of password. Just click on password, and here you can put your current password, or also if you are linked with your Facebook, you can change your Instagram password through your Facebook by tapping on this reset it using Facebook at the bottom. If you know your password, just write your password here, like my password is, and here in between type the password, new password. Just type a strong password and again re-enter the password. And after getting done, tap on this right icon at the top right side. That's it. Now your Instagram password has been changed. Hope this video was helpful to you. So if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and also press the notification bell to get updated from us. Thank you for watching.